In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate a whole Word document with Google Translate. By the end, you will have a translated copy of your file ready to read or share. First, open Google Translate. If you use a browser, you will see two main boxes side by side on the page, one for the original language and one for the translated language. Along the top, there is a row of options, usually showing text and documents. Make sure the page is fully loaded before you move on, so all the buttons you need are visible. Now click Documents. You will find this near the top of the page, next to Text. Once you click it, the layout changes from the usual text boxes to a simpler panel focused on file uploads. You should now see a section inviting you to upload a file, along with language options below it. That confirms you are in the right place to translate a whole document, not just a sentence. Next up, click Browse Your Files. This opens your computer or device file picker. The exact look depends on your system, but you should see your folders and recent files. A helpful tip here, if you do not see your document, check that you are in the correct folder, such as Downloads or Documents. You can also use the search box in the file picker to quickly find a specific file by name. With the file picker open, select your DocX Word document, click once on the file name, then confirm by clicking Open in the file window. After that, the file picker closes and you return to Google Translate. You will see the file name appear under the Browse Your Files button, which tells you Google Translate has loaded that document and is ready to work with it. At this point, choose the source language or leave it on Detect Language. If you know the language your document is written in, choosing it directly can speed things up and avoid rare misdetections. If you are not sure, Detect Language works well in most cases and will automatically guess from the content. You will see the selected source language displayed above the left box. From there, choose the target language. This is the language you want your translated document to appear in. Click the language name, then pick from the list, or use the search bar to type the first few letters. Once selected, you will see that new language label appear above the right side, confirming what the output language will be. Now click Translate. As soon as you click, Google Translate uploads the file and begins processing it. The button may briefly change or show a small animation, and the page will update to show that the translation is underway. Next, wait for the translation to finish. For short documents, this can be only a few seconds, while larger files can take a little longer. During this time, avoid refreshing the page. When it is done, the screen changes again, and you will see options to open or download the translated version. Finally, download or view the translated document. You can click to open it directly in the browser, or choose to save it to your computer. Google Translate supports Word docx, PDF, PowerPoint PPTX, and Excel XLSX documents while preserving much of the original formatting such as headings and basic layout. You have now taken a full Word document and translated it into another language using Google Translate. So if this saved you time, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple translation tips.